In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload your resume to your LinkedIn account. So this is actually pretty easy to do. I'm going to show you step by step. First, you want to go to the top, you want to click that, and then go to where it says settings and privacy. From here, you want to go to the sidebar where it says data privacy. Go ahead and tap on that. And then we want to scroll down to where we see the job seeking preferences category. And under this, we want to click on where it says job application settings. Now from here we can go ahead and actually upload our resume. So to do that, we can click on where it says upload resume right here. Now in order to upload a resume, you're going to need to make sure that the file type is either doc, docx, or PDF. So go ahead and click on where it says upload resume. Then go ahead and find where your resume is on your PC and go ahead and click on where it says open. And if you want to go ahead and share this PDF or your resume with other people on your LinkedIn profile, you can go ahead and tap this toggle button right here and tap and set that to on, so that way you can show everyone your resume on your LinkedIn profile. If you want to turn that off, you can go ahead and just toggle it back off like so. And if you want to go ahead and delete or change your resume that you uploaded, you can click the three dots right here and you can click on either delete, or you can download a copy of this resume as well. I'm going to go ahead and tap on where it says delete, and now it has deleted that resume from my LinkedIn account. So if this video helped you guys out, please leave a like. But that's going to do it for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.